guys, welcome back to this another episode of Motorcycle Rewind.
So guys, today we teach a 5-year-old how to clean a carburetor. So guys, if you have a carburetor at home that needs to be cleaned, if this guy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there and clean it. Okay, so we're going to work on cleaning up. This is the carburetor for the yellow tank, the Kawasaki KE125, I think is what it is. And so we're going to start by taking off these 4 screws, Jackson.
Mm-hmm.
Let me start them. Let me just break them free, and then I'm going to let you pull them off. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, there you go. You start right there. Right there. Back up a little bit. There you go.
See why?
The lefty-loosey.
Huh? Look,
It's coming off. Nope.
I want to do.
Okay, you get it. You get it. Getting it? Is it out all the way? See if you can get it out with you. There you go. Put it right there. Put it right up here. Keep everything organized. Let's do that one right there.
I could do it by myself.
Well, I know you can. I'm just holding the carburetor. Keep turning. You're halfway there. Okay, that should be out now. Okay, put it up there by the other one. Do the next one. Got 2 more. Should be close. Are you out yet? Nope, not yet. Oh, you should be out now. I think you are. See if you're out. See if you can grab it with your hand. I think you're out, buddy. I think you are. Yeah, you go. Put it up there next to it. It had some stuff fighting against you. Check and see if it's out. Maybe turn it a few more times. Maybe, but I think, yeah, it's out. Okay, good. So that's the hard part. So then we're going to see if we can get this bowl off. Watch this. It's stuck. Come on. It is glued on. Jeez and Pete. Oh, now it's finally starting to come free. Jeez, come on. Let's get this guy off too while we're at it. Remember this guy? Let's see. Let's see if we can turn that. Okay, see if you can get that off.
Okay.
There you go. Oh, keep it on. There you go. Hold it on to it. I'll hold on to it up here with you with my hand. There you go. Oh, we lost it. Oh, it's just got a bunch of gunk in there. That's what's holding us on. See if you can get the rest of it off. We got a bunch of gunk in there. I think you may be out. Let's see. Let me see if I can get it. It's like glue. Oh, thought that landed. We got it, thankfully. Look, it's got a bunch of gunk in there. We needed that off. Now let's see if we can get this guy off.
1 hour later.
It's moving.
It's moving, barely. This sucker is stuck.
Oh, I see some gunk.
Yeah, there's got a bunch of gunk in here. Normally you wallop them a couple of times and then they'll come free. But it's held on. Yeah, you want to hit it a couple of times? Yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's try. Yeah, try to punch it open. Is that working? You try that. Did it work? No, it's still stuck. I've never had a carburetor fight us like this. Look at all the stuff coming out, Jackson. Oh, no, don't get it on your hands.
It's like snow.
Yeah, it's not like snow. Jeez. How bad is this
Cheese and
now?
plates.
Cheese and pizza's right.
It's done.
Oh, we got it. Finally. Finally, that is yucky, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got it.
Finally got it. I think it was stuck right in here on this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's bad news. I don't know. We're going to try to clean it. Let's try this. Let's see if we can get this guy.
Can I try?
Oh, look, it's already free. Just unscrew it right there.
Yeah.
We won't show you, Mom, what you touched today.
What?
Okay, that's good. We got that guy out. Let's leave it right there. We're going to have to soak those. Okay, let's get a hammer. Okay, I'm going to let you do this.
Me?
Yep. You're just going to hit this red thing right there. Not too hard. Let me give you a whack real quick.
Let me give you a...
Okay, you give it a whack. Okay, I think we're good. Let's see. I think we may have it out. Hey, look at that. Okay. So we got the drill on there, so now we can get this thing to turn. Now we should be able to get the knee. See that pin to turn? Now we can take it out. That way we didn't have to break these things off. Now we gotta see if we can get that guy out. This is the float. You know what the float is? That's what turns the fuel off. So let's see if we can get this guy out right here. Look right here. Look. Oh, we got it. That's the needle. That's what turns it off. Look. That's what turns it off. So we have to clean that out. Okay, so now we're going to put the carburetor parts in the basket. And then get the other one. And then these. Those two right here.
These?
These two. And this guy in here. Make sure you put them right in there.
Oh, can I put it in there?
Yep.
I'm putting it right in
Right in there.
What?
Right in there. Drop them. Let's let those soak. Okay, this way. Okay, so now we've got the carbs out of the chem dip, and now we're going to take the little air compressor and blow through all the holes. Okay, we're gonna clean this guy out because see how it's a little grimy in there. It's a little sticky.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get something. Okay, so what I did is I took a little bit of Scotch-Brite and a Q-tip on this drill, and keep track of that so we don't lose it. And we'll just move it in and out just like that. Just to clean the seat really good. Now that should be a whole lot better. Yeah, it spins around in there now. Before it was grabbing. So now we're so much better. So, patent pending on this. Yeah, patent pending. We're going to sell these. Think somebody would buy them?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah, we'll use the wrench after. Okay, let's just grab this one. Here you go. There you go, that's tight enough. Good deal. And let's get, this is the needle, right? So when the gas comes in through here, comes in there, and then this guy sits right here with this guy. Remember we had to take this guy out? We had to beat it out?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look how easy it goes in now. Good. That guy's in. So look, this is the way it works. See that little needle we put in right there?
Yeah.
Right? So you push it up, that's what closes it. So when the gas comes in the bottom, this thing floats, it pushes it up, and then it closes it. Just like that.
It's like a bumpy boop.
Yep. Okay, this guy right here.
Okay, I
Here,
know.
You do it with your hands first.
Okay. Ah,
Mm-hmm. We help you get started. You got it.
got it.
You got it. That's an 8. I think it's an 8. I think it's this one. Let's make sure. Yep. Okay, right there.
Ah,
Okay, you're good. Just like that. Oh, we forgot that guy. Okay, this guy goes in right here. Here, let's screw that in. There you go. That's good. Right there. Yes. Goes on like this, that guy in there. And then just like that. And then take those 4 screws
okay.
and let's tighten it down. One right there.
Okay, screw it in.
Yeah, here, get the other 3. I'm just going to put this one in just to hold it.
Okay, and
Just
then
a little.
how about you do
Okay.
one and then I do this one.
Yep.
I got it.
Well, now you can put all 4 of them in. Put the other. No, right here. Put the other ones in now. You're going to do all these. I just wanted to start that one just to hold the bowl.
There.
Now, start right here. Okay, let's go to this other one, and then we'll tighten it down here. Was that the one that needed to be tightened? Yeah, here you go. You want me to do some?
Yeah. You do this side.
Okay,
And
I'll
I
do
do the
this
other
side.
side.
Well, I'll do this one, and I'll do 2, and then you do 2, okay?
How about you do both of these and I do both
I'm
of
going to
them.
do this one, and this one. And then you'll do this one and that one. Do the corners. You got it? Let's see what it feels like. Hey, yeah, that's pretty good. Oh, we got a little bit more. Push down. You turn. There you go. Sometimes you got to push down. Okay, let's go to the other side. Push down, turn. Yeah. So you push down, that way it doesn't
Oh,
come out.
too tight.
Look at that. What do you think of that?
Put it all together. It looks the same as it was.
Well, just a whole lot cleaner.
Looks the same, but
Yeah, just better.
Yeah.
Just better.
But
Go
where
pros.
does this guy go?
I
Right there.
think it went right here and...
Oh, right there.
No, I don't think it went right there.
Yeah.
It went right here for sure. But we'll put a new one on. It went right there for sure. We'll put new lines on. Here, hold on this.
It's really heavy.
Yeah, it is really heavy.
But I'm strong.
You are strong. And hold it up here so they can see it. Okay, so there we go. We just had a 5-year-old clean a carburetor. You could do this again, huh? You don't even need me to do it. You can do it all by yourself. So, guys, that's it. I mean, it's not that difficult. If you got a carburetor that needs to be cleaned, whether it's a single, 2 carburetors, or 4, they're all the same. They're all the same. Take them apart, clean them, put them back together, and that will solve 90% of your problems. Your carburetor problems. It's not going to solve other problems you may have not carbureted, not fuel related. Meaning it's not going to solve your marital problems if you clean your carburetors. So, but that's simple. Sometimes, and most of the times you don't even need a carb kit. You can just take them apart, put them back together. And so in a majority of cases, your problems are going to be in your idle circuit, in your float, right? That float needle is going to be stuck. And maybe your main jet, but really, once you clean it out, you'll be good to go. Look, 5-year-old can do it. Although he is an exceptional 5-year-old, but anybody can do this. So try not to be discouraged or overwhelmed by the prospect of cleaning it. It's just doing it, right? Just clean it. So guys, I want to thank you for watching yet another episode of Motorcycle Rewind. And do me a favor, like, tag, share, and follow us on Instagram at Motorcycle Rewind. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And remember, a video every single day in May at 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. We put out a brand new video. So we'll see you tomorrow. GoPro, stop recording. What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. How old were you when you got your first motorcycle?
When I was 2.
2. Yeah, hold on. And what are you going to do today?
Fix the motorcycle.
Oh, that's it. So let's go do it.